Hi all, myself Renju Govinath. I am the Managing Director of Techshore Insport Services. We started in the year 2010. Techshore offers many various courses in management and technical stream. But our main focus is oil and gas, safety, etc. Because of the huge demand in the oil and gas industry, we designed the course in such a way because it helps candidates in knowing the technically and management skills to oil and gas fields. These courses are designed to support and fast track the skill development of engineering and management teams. Courses are relevant for engineers, managers, and those who wish to pursue a career in oil and gas industry. Many students after plus 2 and engineering is joining for the course by understanding the huge demand. Here, class is conducted by experts. Along with the technical knowledge, we provide on-site training too. As we have tie-up with the leading firms in oil and gas industry, we find easy to fetch good promising job for our students. That committed we have with our students helped us in the long run of their career. So we Techshore provide job-oriented training in various streams, especially in the case of oil and gas. Oil and gas is one of the richest field in this world. One of the richest career in that field. So any candidate, those who wish to work in our industry, they need to get a good certificate. They have to train from a good faculties, qualified expertise. Then only they can mold their career in oil and gas industry. So Techshore, we are started in the year 2010 and we impart technical training to various working people, especially and also freshies to enhance their skill in oil and gas industry. We Techshore separately support students who wish to impart their career in any way. We are the only organization in Kerala which specially focused on oil and gas and safety domain, which approved by Petroleum University and also supporting students to get career in any of the stream and also supporting the placement point of view.